AI development in current society. Imagine a world where machines can see, listen, write, create, and even make decisions. That world is no longer in the future. It is the world we are living in today. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to computer systems designed to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. These tasks include recognizing speech, understanding language, identifying images, solving problems, and learning from data. Over the past decade, AI has developed at an extraordinary speed, becoming deeply embedded in modern society. One reason for this rapid growth is data. Every search we make, every video we watch, and every message we send creates data. AI systems learn by analyzing massive amounts of this data, finding patterns that humans cannot easily see. Combined with powerful computing technology, AI has become faster, smarter, and more accurate than ever before. Today, AI is already transforming many areas of our lives. In healthcare, AI helps doctors detect diseases earlier and more accurately. It can analyze medical images, predict health risks, and support personalized treatment. In education, AI-powered tools adapt learning materials to individual students, helping them learn at their own pace. In daily life, AI recommends music, movies, and products, shaping what we see and experience online. AI is also reshaping the workplace. Automation allows machines to perform repetitive or dangerous tasks, increasing efficiency and safety. At the same time, this raises concerns about job loss and inequality. While some jobs may disappear, new roles are being created that require creativity, critical thinking, and collaboration with AI. However, the rapid development of AI also brings serious ethical questions. Who is responsible when an AI system makes a harmful decision? How do we prevent bias when AI is trained on imperfect data? How much control should machines have over human lives? These questions show that AI development is not only a technical issue, but also a moral and social one. Another major concern is privacy. AI systems often rely on personal data to function effectively. Without clear rules and transparency, this data can be misused. As AI becomes more powerful, protecting human rights and personal freedom becomes increasingly important. Despite these challenges, AI also offers great opportunities. It has the potential to solve complex global problems, from climate change to disease prevention. AI can support scientific research, improve accessibility for people with disabilities, and help create a more connected world. The future of AI is not predetermined. It will be shaped by the choices we make today. Governments must create responsible policies. Companies must design ethical and transparent systems. And individuals must develop AI literacy to understand, question, and guide this technology. AI is not here to replace humanity. Instead, it challenges us to redefine what it means to be human in an intelligent age. The key question is not whether AI will change society, but how we will choose to live with it. The story of AI development is still being written, and the next chapter depends on us.